Here, take it. Come on, Ellen, get your fingers out your mouth and take the damn screen. Yeah.
Lift that out of the way.
This?
Yeah.
What the heck is that sound?
Oh wait, it's the lock.
What?
The lock.
Oh, what?
It went down. I had to pick it up.
Right.
Okay.
Alright, we're good now. Now we're safe from the hurricane.
Okay. Come on, get.
I want to take that back on now. That'd be awful. Yeah.
What do I do with this?
Closing our hurricane shutters for just for the freaking hurricane's coming. Oh yeah, mommy.
You both?
Might as well. What's the point of doing just one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to do both.
Dad said it's a one. Is it one or is it two? I forgot that one doesn't have a screen. Oh no, that's when you take it down.
5, 6, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 800, 5, 6, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, we can see the one.
Wow.
Yeah, you can see the wind, mommy. Look at the wind, mommy.
What about easy?
Why I like this.
Why? Because they're easy to undo.
So as you can see. Is that hard to open and hard to close?
Well, yeah, because they get rained on, Cody.
Even though I sprayed them. You already closed the window?
Yes, I closed the window.
Oh, Ellen's closing now.
Yeah, I know.
God.
I was gonna say, watch yourself.
No, I'm putting all the streets on.
I know.
What's that sound?
That's the sand that's on the top of the awning.
Oh, because it's been there for how many years?
Been there, well, not for years, but it's been there since the last time we had them up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's freaking
Well,
Wait, sorry,
Ellen, the
quick.
wind's gonna be coming from this way.
Yeah, Ellen.
The way that she moves up, she's coming. It's not like she's coming from the Gulf and coming through. She's coming up from Cuba. Even if she is skimming the west side, the storm is still going to rotate the same way. It'd be different if she was coming from the Gulf and coming through Florida. Probably. Okay.
We need to use the flashlight.
Light out there from the parking lot? Yeah.
Didn't even have to need that on.
Now we gotta do is to find the things that you have set aside for you.
Alright, that we can do with these now, Daddy.
Look at this.
Don't play with them.
Look, it's a reflection. As you can see, guys, we got the hurricane shutters, and oh gee, there comes Spider Queen. Yeah.
The hinge came off. Mom, the hinge came off.
Oh no, you can get it, Mom. You can just wait.
I know, Dad's gonna have to lock it anyway. It's fine.
Just weird stick on here. What's it doing? Huh. Well, anyways, guys, hope you guys survived the hurricane. So yeah, make sure you guys go subscribe to the my channel, because the hurricane it's very common. But you guys go ahead and subscribe to Spider Queen and Great Daniela. And but anyways, guys, peace out. Say goodbye, Nikki. Alan.
Bye.